Looking for the right car? Today could be your lucky day. With 60,671 miles, this Sonoma Sunset Metallic 2005 Nissan Altima equipped with manual transmission could be yours. Request more information and set up a test drive right away.